Hey guys, welcome to Mr. Gomes' classroom. I'm here with two of my favorite people, Mr. Walsh and Mr. Foster, and I just wanted to let you guys know that Mr. Foster is retiring in 2028.
Because he's old.
Because he's old. And
Wise, they call it wise.
and he's been doing it for a long time. So Mr. Walsh has been here for 18 years.
Young man.
And I'm going to go ahead and let him do his inspirational speech right now.
Hey Tigers, or I guess Panthers now. Mr. Gomes is telling me he wants to push you guys to reach for the highest heights possible. And I can't agree more with him. I expect great things from you. You're an amazing group. Sure missed you over at Los Banos Junior High School. And I couldn't agree more with Mr. Gomes that you guys are all destined for great things. And I want you to start thinking about that right now. I mean right now. All right, not senior year, not 4 years from now. I want you to start to think about this right now.
Yeah, as soon as you get here in Mr. Gomes' math class.
Like right now, I'm not talking to your neighbor, I'm talking to you. You were in my room and I expect great things.
Okay.
So what is it that you want to do?
This is about Mr. Foster. All right, go.
Well, luckily that I am retiring and not dying, right? I remember my first job, I was a waiter at the Last Supper, and I asked Jesus what he wanted, and then I remember very well, he said bread and wine, and I made it happen. And I've been fortunate to be, ever since then, doing something besides waitering. I've been teaching, and my goal for you is to have a very, very successful life. Wherever you go with your heart. So impress me, do not depress me. Impress yourself, do not depress yourself, and do the best you can.
So we came up with a little contest, and it might change as we go, but I'm going to introduce it as a contest for which 7th grade history teacher has the most kids with the most acceptance letters to a four-year university. So you can only have a total of 6, because I know some of you guys are going to be competitive. You're going to apply to every school, but we're only going to take 6. But if you do get applied and accepted to Stanford, UC Berkeley, USC, or any Ivy League school.
Sacramento State.
Yeah, we'll tell you the joke later about that one.
Much later.
Much later, after you graduate. But 1 point for any university, 2 points for some of the nicer ones, harder to get into ones. So Foster is going to come to your graduation, I can promise you that. And Mr. Walsh will be here too. And I was thinking about having a party where we could all say goodbye to Mr. Foster at Walsh's house. I mean, wherever he
Well,
wants.
long as not awake.
You think you'll still be alive in 2028?
Like I said, long as not awake. If I do die by then, you have my blessings to bring my ashes. You know,
To the graduation.
to the graduation.
Do you want us to sprinkle them there, or just?
Throw them up? You guys can.
With the caps. With the caps.
Just
Just a big-
take the lid off and.
Okay, so let's end it with the wave. Walsh, do the wave.
Oh, do the wave. All right, there you
Wave.
Wave.
go. Go get them, kids.
Peace.